and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be swapping out my old steering wheel in my E39 to this Stage 2 M Sport steering wheel. So I think this will be quite an easy install. So we'll begin by simply removing the old steering wheel and then mounting this. I think this will go by quite fast. It's a really easy install. Just make sure that your steering wheel is Stage 2. If you are buying second-hand Stage 2 steering wheels. On the E39 you have Stage 1 and Stage 2. Stage 1 is pre-phase models up to 99 March month. And after March, I think April production 99, then you have Stage 2. And mine is actually pre-phase, but still it's April production in 1999. So that means it's Stage 2 steering wheel. So this steering wheel should fit if my information is correct. So let's see if I'm right. I hope I am, because I do really want this to fit. It's so much better looking and it feels better. It's smaller. Yeah, this will be a good upgrade. Always remember to disconnect your battery before you mess with the steering wheel and the airbag. So to remove this, you have Torx T27, which you use right here to take it from the back of the steering wheel. Those are 2 bolts you need to undo, and then this is loose. And to then loosen the steering wheel, make sure it's straight and that you cannot move it that much. Take the key out, just turn it until it goes into locking position. And take a 16 mil and place it right there. And then you need to apply a lot of force because this is tight if it's not been done before. That was concerningly loose. Did you see that? I applied no force. It was kind of loose. That's not good at all. So make sure when you mount this again, tie it real good. I apparently did not. Or maybe well, wait, I haven't swapped this. The previous owner maybe didn't do that. I don't know. Yeah, whatever. So you do like that, take this out, that looks like that. There we go. Now that's off. The new steering wheel we have right here. The fine, nice M Sport steering wheel with wood trim right here that matches the wood trim in my E39. I like that. So you simply take this out. This is the thing you should be concerned about if it's not matching. So I think that this is Stage 2. I'm not 100% sure. I think it actually does fit. So that's really good news. So do like so. That seems about right. And let's plug in. We have some connectors right there. The first one actually did go straight in. Oh yeah, we have a match. Woo, perfect. Now, actually, it's time to just mount that center bolt. 16 mil, put it in here. Really important to do that, don't forget that step. You want your steering wheel to sit tight. And okay. There we go. Extra tight. Then we have this little thing, the airbag, which we will connect. Like so, and I think it's simply a matter of snapping this into place again. Somehow, let me see. Woo! There we go! Perfect! And now take the keys, do like that. Oh yeah! That feels a lot better than the previous one. It looks so much better too, look at this. Just needs a little bit of a wash. This will be good. Then it matches the trim that I have right here. So that took about 7 to 8 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, I don't know. Now, new steering wheel's in. I think this is the fastest I have ever done an upgrade to a car ever. So pretty simple. And I mean, this makes the world of a difference, in my eyes at least. with a new steering wheel. It makes the car look so much better, like a facelifted version or something. Now, time to connect the battery again and see if maybe the airbag light have disappeared, I don't know. It could appear when you are changing the steering wheel, so you need to plug into your OBD port and it'll erase that faulty code if you get the airbag lamp. It should not be a problem, but it could be in some cases. Now we are actually done. It didn't take that long at all. So now we have swapped from this ugly old steering wheel to this new nice steering wheel. Really good upgrade for really short amount of time, and I didn't spend too much on it. I got a good deal on it, so I'm happy. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something useful in this video, and subscribe and like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.